Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting two things moving at once, the pasta water and the sauce base. Bring 4-6 cups of water to a rolling boil and season it. This flavors the pasta internally. While the water heats, warm 1-2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet, then sauté chopped onion until translucent and add minced garlic so it blooms. Once the aromatics are soft, pour in canned tomatoes or passata. That liquid starts the red sauce so it reduces while the pasta cooks. Once the tomatoes are in, you want to develop flavor by simmering. Add a pinch of sugar to balance acidity, then season with salt and pepper. Let it reduce for 10-12 minutes so the sauce thickens. Stir in dried oregano or fresh basil near the end to preserve aroma. Meanwhile, cook the pasta until just al dente and always reserve about half a cup of pasta water. When the pasta is ready, transfer it to the sauce. This lets the starches and liquid marry for better coating and texture. You finish by creating an emulsion so the sauce clings. Add the pasta straight into the skillet and toss with 1 to 2 tablespoons of reserved pasta water. That liquid loosens and binds the sauce to the noodles. Fold in a tablespoon of butter or a couple tablespoons of grated cheese for silkiness, then taste and adjust salt. If the sauce seems dull, a small squeeze of lemon brightens it. If it becomes too thick or dry, gradually add reserved pasta water until you reach the right consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.